What does Asset Switch do? Asset Switch will change your existing asset position. It will not affect your asset choice. Firstly, log into the portal using your username and password. Select See Details. Select Asset Switching. Then click plus Create Request. Read through the terms of use carefully. Tick the box to confirm that you have read, understood, and agree to the terms. Then select Next. You will see the Asset Summary page. Scroll down to the Asset Switching Out sections. Enter the percentage of unit holdings you wish to switch. Select the funds you wish to switch in. Then enter the percentage accordingly. Please note that the total under Asset Switching In must add up to 100%. Select Next. Read through the important notes and declarations carefully. Tick the box to confirm that you have read, understood, and agree to the declarations. Then select Next and click Submit to proceed. You will then see the asset switch request created with its status displayed, for example, ready or waiting. Your asset switch request has been submitted successfully. Thank you for using MetTiz portal.